How's it going, everyone? It is Reversal Trader King, where I catch bottoms and tops in the stock market. I'm a reversal trader, and I have developed a system for over 6 years that I have consistently been doing to make consistently money, and month after month, and it's catching those bottoms and tops. And today I want to talk about DWAC, Digital World, and how I traded this one on the top side. And I want to try to give you guys an update, as a lot of people said, okay, it's made a pullback. Do we take the trade now? Is there a reversal happening? And I just want to give you guys my insights and my analysis on where the best points are and what I'm looking at as a trader here. And also, before I get right into the video, do keep in mind, if you do want to join, there is a premium Discord where you get my best trade ideas for only $6 a month, and my whole setup video and system on how to get your chart to look like this in a more in-depth analysis, and that'll be in the YouTube comments below. But let's get into what everyone wants to see is DWAC. It's made an explosive move from the $16 range all the way up to the 58s. I made a video right in here where this is going to be a shorting opportunity or buying puts, and it went down a good bit from the high of 58s all the way down to like $30 range, making massive money on the puts and the short side. And the reason why I say that is, if you look, what you want to look at is, I was looking at the weekly, and when the price hits above the top band, that is an extreme area for sellers to come in. And when the price hits the green band, that is an area for buyers. And a weekly candle, as we know, higher the time frames, the better the signal. And when I started seeing a wick go way past this, then we knew this was going to be shorted pretty big time. And I don't just trade based on the weekly, then we confirm it on the daily. And what I seen on the daily was a very high I saw a high K value right in here, but also it was matching what the weekly is doing. Where you see this big overextension is what you want to see from the upper band. And this is usually a squeeze pattern, but usually the shorts will take control because this cannot sustain, right? It can't sustain. So the daily and weekly matched with a wick above the upper band, creating massive opportunity for shorts. And then what you want to keep in mind is, guys, the blue band is the most important, as that is where price has to go back to. If price did not touch it, it will fill it. For example, so as you can see, we hit the red band, sellers come in, and guess what? We filled this. So in this area, there was no touch of candles in this gap of this blue band, and there's a time frame that usually it does. I very rarely see longer than 2 months, so I look for a signal that has been a month, and then I look for that signal to hit to the blue band right in here. So as you can see, we went to the very top, and then we started touching this blue band again. And I want to show you, let's show a couple. We had this gap right here, no touch, so we get above, getting our signal here, and then we short it all the way down to the blue band. Same here, blue band. But these are not the gaps I look for. I want to see bigger gaps, a longer period of candles not touching it. Those are going to be your best signals, right? Right in here was a nice little buy signal up in here. And as you can see right here, we had the touch of the blue band. But look, it did not touch the blue band this whole time from 8:25, and it finally touched it at 10:13. So it's not going to be longer usually than 2 months. That was like a month and some change, 9:25 and then 10:13 right in there. So that was very good right in there. So as you can see, that is how I really do like to use the strategy, is finding those gaps, finding when price is overextended, and then taking those puts or shorts in this area, because we know price is going to go back to this band. But obviously, once you get this big move down, like right in here, take these profits on this first candle right here, 24% down. You don't have to get the biggest move. Right in here was the profit taking. But it's just nice to know right in here, you had this big gap. Now candles right here are touching it to a T. All right, so now, where do we go from here? Where do we look for our buy? As you can see, when the price goes way above, these bands are going to go opposite directions. So when the red goes up, the green goes down. And as you can see, the green is trying to catch up. The bottom band, it's going to take time for this to correlate back to the price it wants to go. So when you see an explosive move up, do keep in mind it's going to take time for the bands to correlate to what the price is. But as of now, we are at the blue band, the middle band, and this is where price has been reverted to the mean. Price is corrected. This is where price is saying, okay, do I want to go up or down? We don't really know. We just know that price is going to make a big move somewhere, but we just don't know exactly yet. So I could definitely see a consolidation right in this pattern, and it's just going to bounce up and down from this support resistance around 50 and support around $37, right? So what I want to do is I want the bands to correlate to where the price should be, and I will start looking for an opportunity near that green band, like I showed you, along with a gap where you see price not hitting these. So I want to hit the green band with the gap with a blue band here, or I want it to hit the red band, the sell zone for puts or shorting with a gap of not hitting it, just like this scenario right here, where there's a long distance of price not hitting it. And then this also was a nice shorting, even though it didn't hit the upper band. We knew there was a lot of there was no price hitting the candles, and so guess what? This right here gets flushed from 54 all the way to 42, making another short gain because we knew price was going to hit the middle band. That's the main key takeaway, guys. So this strategy is very nice for finding reversals. If you are just you want to be a buyer, a seller, you can play both sides of the coin on this. As for me, for DWAC, I am going to wait, as I don't like flipping a coin. I want to get the best signals, and there's always a trade to trade. There's always going to be some type of trade out there. As a fact, I'm in 2 trades right now that are meeting my system of being the best probability of winning, where the price is at the green band or near it, and then there's a gap like this right here where the price is going to hit that gap to fill it, making us tons of money. So if you guys want to be part of this system and you want to be part of the reversal trading where we find bottoms and tops, join the premium Discord. You won't regret it, as it's only $6 a month. And I do that mainly because a lot of people don't have big accounts and they only have like $500, $100. Well, with $6 a month, it's barely going to eat your fees, and you have plenty of room and upside to compound your account. So if you do 100 to 500 in 1 month, or let's say 100 to 300 a month, it's just going to keep compounding where you're not paying that much money to be in this. As I believe everyone should have an opportunity. And just a little bit about me, I have back tested this strategy for over 6 years to be in the market to make consistent money. And there's a lot of scenarios where, you got to be aware of. So I have made a premium Discord. I have a setup video where I talk about how to set up all these indicators and how to use it properly. And remember, this is a swing trading Discord, so it helps where you don't have to be on your computer or phone all the time. And then you're going to see my exact trade alerts where I give you my limit orders where before I get in the market, and then my exit orders when I leave. So this is the system. It is catching bottoms and tops, and the great thing about it is you're confident in when you buy and sell, and you're not wondering like, oh wow, this thing is just going to keep going up. Well, in reality, we know this right here is a big shorting opportunity, and it's going to eventually just plummet, as we've seen it all the time. I've did it with Nvidia, did it with SMCI. I've was able to call the tops on those, and it's just like anything with price action, the system works on, guys. If you guys want to join the premium Discord, go to the YouTube comments below, and it will be pinned. Be the pinned comment saying join the premium Discord for the best trades, and it'll be in my description. And when you click on that link, it will take you to this landing page. If you're not new to Discord, this is a free chat. What you want to do is click on the premium chat under subscriptions, and that when you click on that, it will say, would you like to subscribe? And you just put in your info. It's only $6, and it will be slightly cheaper if you do it on computer to avoid the iOS fee. And if not, you can do it on your phone. It's not really that much more. But yeah, just make sure you go to descriptions, click on premium chat, and then bam. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, subscribe, comment to me what you think about DWAC. I'm waiting on the system, as the system tells me when to get in, and it's been very accurate. I'm just going to play both sides of the coin. Whichever way it goes, I look forward to trading that opportunity, right? Because at the middle band, it really is just going to consolidate and can be very boring till it wants to make that move. So I'm going to be waiting on it. So if you guys want to give a like, subscribe, comment, it helps the algorithm share it to other retail traders just like you that are looking for the bottom and reversals in the stock market. And I will catch you guys in the Discord if you want to join. Thank you so much for watching.